The fact that I help people design their spaces and I come home and my apartment looks a mess, I kind of felt like a fraud. I have lived here for 10 years and it's time to get this place finished. My name is Nyasia Casey. I'm a real estate broker here in New York City, a designer, and a full-time YouTube content creator. I make a lot of content, but mostly apartment tours, real estate, and home decor videos. I've seen the gamut of any type of apartment here in New York City. So I think helping other people decorate their space helps me and inspired me to get my space together because, you know, if their apartment looks nice, my apartment could look nice as well. And I'm the broker, my apartment should look nice. The color of my walls now are my absolute favorite color, my favorite shade of pink. I'm very picky about my pinks. Okay, so the perfect shade of pink, it's light enough that it can go with everything, but it's dark enough that it can still ground the space. You know what I'm talking about, right? I have pink walls, I have pink cabinets, I have pink books, I have some of my old pink products. Obviously the flowers, they are fake, but I'm allergic, so don't judge me. I even painted my nails pink this morning. Even my toaster is pink. Everything is pink. I would say that my style is vintage, modern, glam. I like gold. I like things that pop. Vintage, modern, glam, is that a thing? When this space is finished, I have one goal. I want to feel like I am in a showroom. I want to feel like I'm in some sort of catalog and feel pretty. I don't know how many people have lived in their apartment for a decade, but I have lived here for 10 years and it's time to get this place finished. I want a gallery wall. I definitely want some throw pillows because 2 is just not enough. And I think I need an area rug too. All right, it's time to get this stuff purchased. I've procrastinated long enough. I'm on the Wayfair website and I'm gonna start looking through the site for the things that I need. Number one, what I think is really gonna ground the space is a rug. Obviously, it's super noisy. We're here in New York and adding soft surfaces like rugs will really help dampen the noise. Okay, I'm looking for something cream. I think I'm gonna filter by color. The Simone Geometric Area Rug. It's perfect, it's cream, and I like that it has these black lines in it. I think I'm just gonna get this one. That's out of the way, check. Let's go to some pillows. So I really like this interlude square pillow set. So I love the tassels, that's really fun to play with. There's so many ways to sort for artwork. It's really easy to find anything you want. I did find this print from Bria, Nicole. She's an amazing African-American artist that I recently discovered, and I'm so excited that it's on the Wayfair website. This is an art print that I'm definitely gonna pick up. It's really nice that I can curate a wall all in one place and kind of see it all together, so I know that everything matches my cohesive theme. We've got a beige faux fur throw. Ooh, that's gonna feel very luxurious. And it also has some stripes in it. See how we're tying this all together? It's working perfectly. It's perfect. It's literally perfect. This turned out even better than I could have expected. When you bring things in and everything looks cohesive, even though there's more stuff, I feel like it feels bigger. It feels better. You know, if you're gonna do it, you gotta do it right. So the fact that I'm able to curate an entire gallery wall all in one space, I don't think I would have been able to get it done if it wasn't for Wayfair. If anybody wants to copy it, you can get this exact style. It's on the website. Feel free. I'll do you this favor. You got a little interior design for free right now. There's never such thing as too much pink. That's my story and I'm sticking to it.